devil in the back.
I'm not gonna give up.
You incinerated the priest's temple.
I'm not gonna stop.
What do you think you'll do?
I'm gonna work harder.
Tasker crew. How many? How many do you have?
What are you doing, Jonathan?
If you thought this through, I mean chewed down to the bone. It's personal. John will come for you, and you will do nothing because you can do nothing.
You have no idea what's coming.
Somebody, please get this man a gun.
No wife, no home. Vengeance. That's all you have.
They know you're coming.
Of course, but it won't matter.
I'm a survivor.
People keep asking if I'm back, but now, yeah, I'm thinking I'm back.
I'm a survivor.
Winston, tell them. Tell them all. Whoever comes, whoever it is, I'll kill them. I'll kill them all.